The Quick Search tool allows you to find the assets in the catalog. Type the asset keywords in the search bar. Arkki Engine will search for them looking at all the metadata. Click on the lens icon or press Enter to see all those assets related to the entered keywords. The command Optimize Results allows you to further filter the search results so that the words entered are traced exclusively in that exact sequence and declension, so you will have fewer but more accurate results. Click on the filter icon to choose whether to search only within the drafts, the publish assets, or to restrict the search to current catalog. This last function is useful when you're navigating in a specific category. Click on the triangle icon to the right of the lens icon to access the Advanced Search panel. Here you can search for contents of a specific type, such as video, audio, documents, project files, or you can search within a selected folder or space. For each of these selections, you can type the search keys in every field of the metadata sheet. The search keys can be text, data, multi-selection, drop-down menu, according to the selected field. In the technical metadata fields, you can search to retrieve the original file based on the file type, file extension, size, or other technical details. Using the fields in the General tab, you can search for an asset by owner, ID, MD5 file hash, hexadecimal identification code, creation date range, updated date range, file size range, file names in the archives or uploaded via watch folder, and finally, categories. When the search parameters and criteria have been defined, click on Search to run the research. When finished to search and browse, press Reset to cancel the search criteria and go back to the home page.